Progress.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning, children. Good morning,
Good
everyone.
morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you all doing today?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Fine,
morning.
ma'am. About you? How
I'm
are you,
fine.
ma'am?
Thank you for asking, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody read my message in the group.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The first thing I wish to ask you
ma'am.
today is, I have sent a quote by some writer in the group. Can you tell me what was the quote sent by me? Just put up your hands. Okay, Mary. Mary? Tell me, dear, what was the quote I had sent today?
The secret of happiness is curiosity.
Very good. The secret of happiness is curiosity. One round for Maria. Okay, Jashmita, will you tell me the name of the writer who gave this quote to us?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me, dear.
From no man's ma'am.
Can you repeat that name?
Norman.
Norman and then?
Douglas.
Douglas. Okay. So the writer who gave us this quote is Norman Douglas. Okay. Before we start anything for today's class, I wish to give a very big round for all those children who submitted their first day's activity promptly on time. I'm going to quickly read out the names of all those who submitted the parts of speech activity. In case if I missed someone's name, you can just put a reminder to me in my telegram. Okay. So the people who sent it to me very quick were Vamshi Dhanvi KJ, Hamsini Dhanvi DS, Pallavi Lavanya Tanvi, Chaitanya, Subhashri, Trishakti, Yashasvi, Amrita Varshini, Sujan, Sonika, Chinmay, Srinath, Dakshayani, Bhumika, Jashmita, Aniket, Samrad, Shriram, Sparsha M. Patil, Bhavish Benaka, Mahalakshmi, Nitya, Spandana, Sanvi, Anuj, Shravya, and Dheya. In case if I missed your names, don't feel bad because I keep getting many messages in my Telegram. I might have skipped it by mistake. Okay, so you can just put a reminder to me saying that, ma'am, I had also sent and you didn't tell me your name. I'll tell that in the next class. Okay, and about the drawing and the story writing, how beautifully you have compiled that drawing and the story writing. Many good creations, total different approach towards finishing the story. Many of you did mention that it finished as a dream. Okay, now coming on to this story. Does anyone know from where I took this story? What was the inspiration behind this story? Have you anywhere heard of this, read about this story, or watched it in any movie?
No, ma'am.
Nobody?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
There is
No, ma'am.
there is a small book
No,
called
ma'am.
Coraline. Okay, Coraline. This is a story of a girl named Coraline, and it's printed as a novel. I'm not going to give you the writer's name. That's for you to find out. So if you have noted down the name of the girl, remember in the previous session, I told you I'm not going to give you the girl's name. And I told you to give a name to the character on your own. But the actual character's name in the children's novel is called Coraline. I'm going to put that name in the chat box. Using that name, you are going to find out the name of the author. All right. So I have put that name of character in your chat box. Later on, you can check it. And then
Ma'am, what is the name of the book?
the book's name is Coraline. And you have to find out the name of the writer and just send it to my Telegram. Okay.
Yes,
And this book was also made into a movie, which was in the genre of children horror movie. So this movie gives the movie, or rather the book gives an idea of how children should not deviate from the love and care of their parents. You would have heard many times your parents and elders saying that do not accept things from strangers, do not get close with strangers, right? So here in this story, it happens like that. The difficulties that the girl faces and then comes back to her normal life with her parents is what is written in this book. Okay. So find out about the writer of this and then put a message.
And writer is Neil Gaiman.
Yes.
Writer is Neil Gaiman.
Already you have found out. Okay. Can you put
Yes,
it in the chat box so that everybody can see writer's name?
Ma'am,
Yes,
check it in
please.
Google.
I know it is in Google. That's the reason I told you that you can find it.
Ma'am, that movie is in Prime Video also. I had seen.
You have seen it? Is it? If it is there, you can share it with your friends. You can watch it along with your parents. Everybody can go through the movie. It's a good one. If you have interest in reading, try to find the book and read it. All right. So now moving on to the next part of it. In the last class, I forgot two important things. Very important thing which we always use to begin something. Does anyone know what was it that I have missed? Okay, I'll tell you. Because I had taught you when you were studying in 3rd standard, I assume that everybody knows me. So I just realized that there were some new students who do not know me, and all of us do not know the new students also. Apart from the students who joined us this year, there are a few new children whom I did not know all these years. In the past 4 or 5 years, I have not met the other students also. So for the new students who have joined us this year, I thought I will introduce myself. Of course, it's a late one because we have had one session. So children, those who joined us new, my name is Mahalakshmi. I joined this school in the year 2016. And my first batch was your own batch when you were studying in 3rd standard. I started teaching 3rd standard and second standard who were in your same batch in the same year. And later on, after 3 years, during my 3rd year, I was also teaching Hindi for that year's 4th standard batch. So in SVI, I have the experience of teaching English as well as Hindi. And then 2 years back, I was shifted to high school to teach 8th and 9th. That's all about me as far as school is concerned. Okay, children. And we have 3 new students. If I'm not wrong, we have 3 students who have joined your batch this year. Let me tell their name. Maria Shansi, Manish, and Gauri Murali. So Maria, Manish, and Gauri, can you 3 please switch on your videos? Maria, Gauri, and Manish. Yes, Manish and Maria, I can see. If Gauri is there, Gauri can also switch on your video. Okay, let us hear about Maria first. Maria, welcome to SVEI. I think other teachers might have also welcomed you, but I would like to welcome you personally. Yes, very good. So Maria, from where have you come? Which school were you studying in, and what are your hobbies? Whatever you wish, you can share with us.
Ma'am, I'm a new student, Maria Shansi. I'm from Shastri Public School in Hunsur. And my hobbies are reading storybooks, drawing, and playing badminton.
Okay.
That's it.
You like to play badminton. Okay, shall we all welcome Maria? If you have your mics unmuted, you can just clap for her as a way of welcoming her. Yes, good, I can hear it. Welcome, Maria. Thank you, Maria, for sharing. Later on, when we do the activities, you may get a chance to speak again. Okay? Okay, thank you, Maria. Manish, can we listen from you about your hobbies, your interests, from which place in school you have come?
Yes, ma'am. Good morning to one and all present here. My name is Manish. First of all, thank you to my ma'am for giving me this opportunity to and I was studying in BGS IRS in Bangalore, but now I'm
Manish, once
recently.
again, sorry to interrupt. Other than Manish, can we have all others in mute, please? Because only Manish's voice should be heard. Children, except Manish, will others mute your mic, or else I have to put you on mute? Very good, children. Thank you. Yes, Manish, continue.
Yes, ma'am. I was studying in BGS IRS in Bangalore, but now I have recently shifted to Mysore. So I decided to join the highly esteemed institution SVEI, and then I look forward in learning. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, Manish. Very well said. And it feels so good to see a newcomer talking so good about the institution you have joined. So let's welcome Manish. You can unmute and clap for him, children, and then mute back. Welcome, Manish. Okay, I think Gauri has some connectivity issues. She has put a message saying that she's not able to stay consistently in the meeting. So Gauri, in case if you are listening to me, what you can do, you can record a small video about your introduction and send it to me. That part I will share in the group so that your friends will know about you also. And all the new students, you can feel free to mingle with other children because we are doing it only online. You can get in touch with them through Telegram and make friends. During the online classes, you'll be able to see each other's faces through the video conference. I'm sure that you will feel very comfortable in your new environment. And once the school starts, you will be able to dwell very well with them. Okay. So one round for Gauri also to welcome her. Welcome, Gauri. All right, children. Thank you for your response. Okay. So once again, I would ask you to mute yourselves, children. And then coming on to the students who have sent me some drawings. They sent me after Sunday or by late Sunday night. Those who had sent the drawing and story activity to me, I was not able to compile them and share them in the group. But strictly today onwards, I'm going to give you a time duration within which you have to send me your responses. Only those responses which come to me within that specified time will be shared with everyone in the group. Can we agree to this, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Because your time management
ma'am.
is very, very important.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So whenever we have some activity to be submitted, whether it is in school or during your online classes, make sure you strictly follow the time. I know there will be instances when you have some limitation on being on time. So we will just excuse those people, and whoever is being able to submit within time, only they will be presented to others. Others I will appreciate personally. Okay. All right. So how was your first experience? How was the experience of your first activity? The only major activity you had last week was to draw something relevant to the story and then complete the story. Few of you can share. Dakshayani. Yes, Dakshayani.
Ma'am, it was really amazing and I enjoyed that activity so much because I love writing stories and even I love drawing, so I enjoyed it a lot.
Okay, very good. Okay, Dakshayani, yes, you had done a different way of presentation. You had made a
Yes, ma'am.
drawing, rather a painting, and then you had made an audio record of the story.
Yes,
It was
ma'am.
really different. Good, well done. Chinmay,
Thank you,
let's
ma'am.
hear from you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I enjoyed the activity as I also like writing stories. And then creating our own story and drawing any imaginary things is really good.
Good.
So
Okay.
I enjoyed the activity.
Very good, very good. Thank you, Chinmay. Amrita, children, I would appreciate if you can have your cameras on when you talk to me. It really makes me feel very happy when I look at your glowing faces. Yes, Amrita Varshini, your video is also coming, I guess. Yes, dear. Speak. Amrita Varshini, can you start speaking? Your audio is not being heard, Amrita Varshini. I can see that you have unmuted, but is anyone able to hear her voice?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Amrita Varshini will come back to you later, okay?
No, ma'am.
If we start hearing your voice, we'll hear from you. Okay. Next is Trishakti.
Ma'am, I actually love fairy tales. So it was like the story was like a fairy tale, and I would love to write and create a own story of mine. So the first class was very amazing and it was very interesting also, ma'am.
Okay, good. So listening to something and then drawing something related to that. If I ask your children to do it spontaneously, like if I'm reading out something or narrate or playing a video or an audio in the group and ask you to do something relevant within a span of 5 minutes, how many of you will be able to do? Would you be interested in doing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So you think you can be
Yes,
quick enough? Because when you do something in a short duration of time, okay, many of you are ready. Very good. So in the upcoming sessions, when we do our lessons or the poems, we will have one session. Whether it is in online class or in our physical classes, we will follow this for 1 or 2 topics, wherein I'll be going through the text and I'll be reading out the text aloud so that you will be just listening and then putting your thoughts in paper. Okay. All right. Okay. Few more will share about your experience. Those who want to talk about your first activities experience, only 2 more. Others can drop your hands, please.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Who is it? Ravi Tej. I want to hear from someone who didn't speak in the first class. Gagandeep, I have a wish that everybody must participate. Don't worry about your language if you speak well, if you make mistakes. I have told you when you were small, in your smaller classes also, we always learn only from our mistakes. So don't get conscious about having a broken language. We are going to repair it soon. Okay. So Gagandeep, will you share with us your experience?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Gagandeep. We have to carry on with our today's activities. So we'll finish this soon. Gagandeep and one more, Bhavish Benaka.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Gagandeep is not able to speak, I
I'm
guess.
Bhavish.
Yes, Bhavish, you can share.
Ma'am, I also like very much to write stories, and even I like drawing. So I was very enthusiastic to draw because all those pictures I drew came from my own imagination, and
Very good.
it was
Yes.
very much fun, ma'am.
Okay, good. Good one. So that is what the idea was. I
ma'am.
think most of you, even though you might have seen some pictures and images online, but the output that you have given in terms of drawing, it shows that there are so many artists in your batch. Okay, good. So all your creativity, it's not only for creative writing or story writing, even when you write the answers for the questions for your lessons and poems, use your imagination to build up the answers. When you put your own thoughts in words, the output of your work will always be very good, because your creativity can be unmatched with anyone else. Okay, so whenever you wish that, ma'am, for this particular question I wish to write my own answer, you're always welcome. Okay, so as we progress with the chapters in future, I'll let you know. All right. Okay, anyone else who is very much interested in sharing, just unmute and tell me your name.
Ma'am, can I Yashasvi?
Yashasvi. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, can I?
Is after Yashasvi, few more.
Ma'am, I was very interested because I like narrating stories and we were both sitting in home with this lockdown and not having any creativity. It gave some matching, very energetic activity, and it was good experience.
So you felt that being engaged and doing something kept you active. So it was
Yes, ma'am.
not just writing work for you, you also had given work to your thought process. Okay, we are going to have
Yes,
many
ma'am.
more activities where you will have to spend time thinking and doing these work. Okay, good. Next, someone said, I also wish to speak.
Ma'am, Jashmita.
Ma'am, can I, Ravitej?
Ma'am,
Okay, Ravitesh, you can also ask.
Can I, ma'am, Jashmita?
Yes,
Can I,
Jashmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I am Prarthana.
Yes, Prarthana.
Ma'am, I'll tell, ma'am.
Yes, Jashmita. Let us listen to Jashmita. Jashmita.
Ma'am, I gave more pressure to my brain and used it because it was sitting idle from so many years.
So many years.
Like after I left my old school, it was sitting idle. So this was very nice activity.
Okay, very
And
good.
thank you.
Okay, good.
Ma'am,
So
I have to share Ravitej.
yes, Ravitej.
Ma'am, I am in my village. I can't able to submit my activity. Ma'am, can you give time?
Okay, Ravitej, in case if you are not able to complete your work, for example, someone had sent a message to me saying, ma'am, I am in my native place. I don't have stationery with me. So I had just drawn something with my pencil. That is what shows your involvement. If you don't have what is required, you do something with whatever you have. You know, people who are very interested and have that passion of doing something, if it comes to drawing something without the availability of paper and pen, imagine you don't have even a single sheet of paper or not even a broken piece of pencil. How can you draw something? What source would you use?
Mine. You just imagine what to draw.
Ma'am,
Yeah, if you want to draw, yes.
ma'am, I will submit day after tomorrow, ma'am.
That's okay, Ravitej. So, in case if you want to draw something like Ravitej said, he is in the village, find a piece of charcoal. Find a place in ground where charcoal will be visible. Use the charcoal to make a sketch. Or if you have sand or mud around your house, pick up a stick, pick up a small twig, use that for drawing on the sand. Okay, this is just a silly idea, but sometimes it can work wonders. You have seen many artists doing sand art, and you have a sand museum also in Mysore. So this is how your ideas will come up. Okay, don't limit your creativity. You have endless creativity, children, so you can carry on with anything like that. Shall we move on to today's activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Before starting today's session, I just wish to ask, how many of you know which are the textbooks that we have for this year?
Ma'am, 2 textbooks.
Ma'am, I know.
Okay.
Ma'am, I know.
Ma'am, honey literature.
And it so happened.
Honeydew and supplementary.
Honeydew.
Okay, Honeydew is the main textbook, and then one supplementary textbook.
So happened.
Yes, it so
And
happened.
also grammar textbook.
It so happened.
Okay, this year, like unlike the last few years, you will not have a separate grammar book. Okay, there will be some grammar topics which you are going to continue for your 8th, 9th, and 10th standard. Those topics will be concentrated. Okay, so we will start learning those topics in grammar, and then we'll continue with the same topics as you go to 9th. So that in 10th standard, you won't be learning anything new. In 8th and 9th, you will finish learning the topics. In 10th standard, it will only be practice based on the application level of grammar that you have learned. Okay, there are many new topics which you have, but we don't know whether it is going to be deleted for the next 9th and 10th year. So we will look at the syllabus once and then start grammar a little later on this year. We'll go with the basics, but the complicated topics we will do towards the end of the year. Okay, so I'm going to show you the textbook in case if you have not seen it. 1 minute, children. Okay, are you able to see the screen, children? 1 minute, 1 minute. One second, children. Dakshayani and Chinmay, you can unmute yourselves and then tell me if you are able to see the screen and what do you see on the screen.
Ma'am, I can see the screen.
What
Ma'am,
do you
it's
see?
written that it. Ma'am, I can see honeycomb textbook.
You can see the textbook.
Yes, ma'am.
The textbook that you see is It So Happened. Is it still visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
now your screen is not visible.
okay. 1 second. 1 minute, children. I'll give you unmute option. Yes.
Ma'am, we cannot see your screen.
1 second.
We can't see the screen. The share screen is off. And we can't see the screen.
We cannot see.
We can't see
Are
the
you able to
screen.
see it now, children?
We
Yes.
can't see
the
Is it
screen.
possible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Check it now.
Now we can see.
Okay. So this is, as I told you, there are 2 books and this is one of the textbooks. This is, please don't touch the screen because if you touch it, it will start showing these kind of scratches. Okay. So
Anyone scratched it?
I know. So you're not supposed to do that. Okay, it's gone now. All right.
Yes.
Don't touch the screen, children. I'm just going to show you the textbooks that you have. This is one of the textbooks, and this is the supplementary textbook, which will have many interesting stories, and all these stories will have some moral associated with it. I remember telling you in the first class that the chapters that we do from the supplementary reader, this is called a supplementary reader. Here we have lessons in the form of short stories. They will also have questions based on the lesson. But the interesting fact about this textbook is that children will teach this lesson in the class. Have you done it before?
No, ma'am.
No?
Not at all.
So do you think it is going to be interesting teaching lessons in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
When we start this textbook, I'll ask you to prepare how you are going to teach. Okay, so these are all stories which are taken from novels and short story compilation by different authors. Many authors you might already have heard of. So this is going to be a beautiful experience reading these stories. And then I'm going to show you the main textbook. Do you see it now?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is
Yes,
the
ma'am.
textbook?
Ma'am.
Which textbook is
Yes,
called?
ma'am.
Honeydew.
Honeydew.
Okay, so Honeydew has
Honeydew.
11 chapters and 9 poems in this. We are not going to do the entire textbook because we have some limitations because of the online classes. Last year also, for you also, when you were in 7th, around 50 to 60% of the syllabus was done, right? So from this textbook also, I'm going to select the most interesting stories and poems. Of course, every chapter and every poem is very interesting. So some of them are unavoidable. We'll try to complete those chapters and poems. Okay, so these are the 2 textbooks. Apart from these, you will have some 8 to 10 topics in grammar, and then you will have written portions also for your syllabus. When we say written portions, what comes to your mind, children?
Note.
Ma'am, letter writing.
Some letter
Ma'am,
writing.
letter writing.
Letter
Note.
writing. Okay. Then story writing.
Notice writing.
Notes on some topics.
Paragraph writing.
Letter writing. Notice writing, someone said. Okay. Huh?
Poem writing.
Poem writing. So
And
writing
essay
is
writing.
all associated with
Essay
your
writing.
imagination. Yes, essay writing. So we may not have everything together. As we progress, I'll let you know which topics we are going to use this year. All right. Okay, children. So going ahead, your books are done. Now we'll start with activity. So I had asked you to keep your pen and pencil, paper, notebook, whatever. Are you all ready with it?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So this activity is called JAM. Will anyone tell me what a JAM is? Anyone who will tell me what is a JAM?
Which we eat the fruit jam.
Some
One jam
traffic
is
jam.
what we eat with chapati
Not
and bread.
Traffic jam.
This jam,
Traffic jam.
traffic jam. Okay, good. Then okay, this is
Ma'am,
all
maybe a
capital.
puzzle.
A capital, A capital, M capital. So I
I'm
have
daring
given
jam.
this a name JAM, which is the abbreviation for just a minute. Okay. So whatever I tell you to do, you have to do within 1 minute's time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I'm going to put you all in mute, and then you will listen to me and complete your work. The moment you complete your work, your hands should be up. The first 7 hands which come up, only they will get the chance to speak. Okay. First 7 hands which come up will be able to share your work. Okay, the activity that you are going to do now is you are going to write some words. Okay, no limitation on whatever words you are writing. Don't write words which doesn't make any meaning or give any sense. Okay, be sensible in the words that you choose. So your time starts now. You're going to write words beginning with the letter D. The time is 1 minute.
Ma'am, D or B?
D for Delhi.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, I'm putting you in mute, children. Once you're done, you can quickly start raising your hands. For those who joined us just now, those who are joining us, let me remind you, you have to write some words beginning with the letter D. Lavanya has already raised her hand. Try to write maximum number of words. Lavanya, Bhavish, Dakshayani, Vamshi, Jashmita, Pratham. Okay, hands are just going up. Okay. And all others, other than the first 7, you can, whatever work you do together, you can text me in the Telegram, not WhatsApp. Okay. All right. So Lavanya, Bhavish, Dakshayani, Vamshi, Jashmita, Pratham, Trishati. We'll take 2 more, Disha and Ravitej. Okay, let's have a round number of 10. After Ravitej till Samarth. Okay. Starting from Yashasvi, others can inbox me in Telegram. Okay, and then we'll see who has written the maximum number of words. Put your pen down. Stop writing. The time was for 1 minute. Okay, Lavanya, because you raised your hand earlier, I hope you didn't write after raising your hand also. You can share it with us, Lavanya. Let me permit you to unmute yourself. Yes, Lavanya. Can you unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, duster, dog, Delhi, deer, death, donkey, doll, disc, dustbin, duck, dimple, dream, diet, door, desk, dizzy, and Deepa.
Okay, so totally how many words have you written?
Ma'am, 17.
Yes, I also counted 17 just to cross check. I asked. Very good. Bhavish?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, start telling.
Dog, donkey, dish, then Delhi, daisy,
No,
dam,
Bhavish, can
Dehradun.
you start repeating? Can you repeat once again because your audio went blank?
Dog, donkey, dish, then Delhi, Dehradun, day, daisy, dam, deaf, dream, deck, desk, dumb, do, drag, dock, done.
So totally 18, is it?
Yes, ma'am, 18.
Okay, good. Okay, Bhavish, you can lower your hand. Dakshayani.
Door, desk, dam, Delhi, dog, dust, danger, doll, dip, drag, drain, drape, dial, dengue, drought, drum, deaf, deal, doctor, daughter.
Is it 17?
Ma'am, no, 20.
20. Okay, because in between the voice is getting feeble, so I was not able to hear. So 20. Those who are reading to me, you should send them. You should also send these to me. I'm going to cross check the number of words you have told with the audio. Okay, Vamshi.
Can I say?
Yes, start, Vamshi.
Yes, ma'am. Dumb, damn, dog, dim, dance, dot, doomed, die, do, don't, disapproval, discipline, dawn, dung, diet, dustbin, doll, poo, door, dizzy, Dehradun, donkey, dish, Delhi, den, deer, deaf, danger, doom, dumb.
Total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28. Ma'am, 30. Correct, 30.
Yes, right. Good. Did you write it within 1 minute or you used extra time?
Ma'am, I wrote it very fastly
Yes,
in 1
very
minute
good.
itself.
Okay, I remember your handwriting also, Vamshi, so I can accept that you wrote.
Ma'am, it is improved. Ma'am, it is improved.
Okay, good, good, very good. Okay,
Can I
next
say
is
Sujan?
Jashmita. Jashmita.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Start telling the words.
This mention, I'll tell, ma'am.
Yes, start.
I'll start telling. This mention, dispute, dispart, dent, deep, dear, default, decrease, doll, desk, design, desire, descent, deposit, depend, develop, die, disagree.
Okay, so total of 17. Did I count it right?
18. 18.
Okay, okay. You can also send it to me. Pratham. Pratham K.
Ma'am.
Yes, Pratham. Start.
Delhi, donkey, dog, then, do, did, done, despair, deactivate, demotive, demolish, determination, demolition, dimple, door, Darjeeling, Denmark, dynamite, deaf, dung.
22?
21.
21. Okay. Next, Trishakti.
Drum, dig, donkey, Delhi, delighted, dust, duster, dog, draw, dream, drawing, dreaming, daughter, digital, door, dull, dynamite, determine, disturb, dear, death, dustbin, dire, dumb, deaf, and die.
Are they 28 in total?
Ma'am, 26.
26. Okay. As I told you, in between your voice goes blank, so I assumed you said something there. So total of 26?
Yes, ma'am, 26.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right, Trishakti. Disha Gowda. Children, I am repeating, if you are interested, as I am very much interested, I wish to look at your face when you speak. So please, if you can keep your video on, I'll be very happy. Disha. Yes, Disha, tell me.
Ma'am, I have 20 words.
Okay.
Drawing, deodorant, danger, dumb, Delhi, dustbin, dam, door, dishes, dog, drama, doors, daring, direction, destroy.
After destroy, I didn't hear.
Ma'am, desk, tall, day, dark.
Okay, good, Disha. You can also send the pictures to me. Ravi Tej, okay. Once again, you got a chance.
Desk, drawing, determination, deer, dance, dull, dam, dustbin, disease, duck, donkey, duster, don't, dumper, doll, do, does, dare, dunk, dump, drum, door, doctor, dog, Delhi.
Oh my God, you were so fast and the audio kept on disturbing me. Were you, did you give me 25 words, Ravi Tej?
Yes, ma'am, 25.
Okay, so I think I heard most of them. Okay, good. Samarth.
Ma'am, do, dog, Delhi, drum, dumb, door, dig, drunk, day, discourage, doctor, daughter, dimple, deer, dustbin, donkey, dam, discourage.
Okay, are they 14 or how many?
15 words.
15.
15.
Okay. Samarth, thank you.
Ma'am, can I say Sujant?
Who is it?
Sujant.
Sujant. You can, but I think our list is over actually. Okay, Sujant, we'll finish with you.
Dog, duck, dash, doctor, dawn, dinner, disc, dustbin, dish, dishwasher, dam, dump, done, due, Delhi, dengue, drop, deaf, door, dance, don't, dung, died, diet, die, deer, den, disappear, diamond, donkey, daughter.
Very good. Are they 33 words?
32 words.
32. Okay. All right, Sujan. And all those who have kept your hands up, sorry, children, we will move on to the next one. Otherwise, we will have to finish with only this activity. You tell me, children, whether you want me to give you some other activity or I should allow everybody to read.
Give another activity.
Some other activity.
Ma'am, some other activity.
Yeah, activities are there. Many activities
Give
are
this
there.
activity itself, but give another letter.
In another session, okay?
Yes.
Okay, I had told you something about show and tell for today.
Yes, ma'am.
So show and tell. Okay, put your hands down. Those who have planned for show and tell activity, because we have this meeting.
What do you mean by show and tell?
Yes, for just put your hands up. I'm going to mute you, children.
Ma'am, what do you mean?
Show and tell, I have told you. I had put a message in the group saying you can bring. Well, who is it? Children, I had told you for this show and tell activity, you have to get one of the favorite items of your family member, not your favorite item. Any object which is a favorite of your mother, father, grandfather, grandmother, brother, sister, auntie or uncle, whoever is in your house. Because your favorite item, many of your friends would also know. So if you had discussed with your family members and taken an object from them, you have to show it in the video and talk about it. All right. So those who are able to do it now, fine. Otherwise, we have Telegram where you can record a short video of about 40 seconds to 1 minute and then send it to me. I'll be happily sharing it with you all. Okay. So we have a few hands up who are ready. I'm going to unmute only those they can speak. Jashmita. Jashmita, were you able to?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, your video has to be
Yes,
on
ma'am.
for this activity.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Jashmita. Jashmita, can we have your video?
I'll start.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I'll start, ma'am.
Yes, please. Yes, start it.
Ma'am, my sister's favorite toy is Panda. It is black and white in color. My dad got it when she was 8 months old. She still has it now. She's 6 years old. She takes care of it as her baby, ma'am.
Very nice. Can you show the panda's face in a different angle so that everybody can look at it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, turn it around. Okay, some interesting fact about your panda also you can tell. Have you and your sister ever fought for this toy? One second, Jashmita, you are not heard.
Yes, ma'am. So many times we have fought.
Okay, okay. Good, Jashmita.
We have fought so many times for this toy. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, okay, Jashmita. Samarth Gowda, you are ready with your item to be shown and told about? Yes.
Ma'am, these are 4 quiz books. In our family, all whoever comes to our house will sit and solve this book. All the 4 books, all the 4 quiz books. Ma'am, we have bought 4 books so that come to our house and solve these books, sir. Ma'am, within 4 to 5 days, we have solved overall 4 books total.
Very good. So that shows your interest in solving puzzles.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
very good to see you sitting with your uniform, Samarth. How does it
Thank
feel
you, ma'am.
sitting with your uniform? Do you feel like being in the classroom?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I hope that everything gets well and we all come back to school. As much as you are missing going to school, I am equally missing it. Okay, Samarth, anything else you want to share about the book?
Ma'am, and ma'am, in this, ma'am, we have fought for many times for this book. Ma'am, first we solved everything and then we started to read. But while that time, me and my sister were fighting too much for these books.
Okay. Okay, Samarth. Thank you for sharing. Chinmay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Chinmay, you.
Yes, ma'am, this is my brother's favorite watch.
Yes.
So he got it as a gift for his birthday.
Okay.
And
he got it as a gift? You said it is your brother's watch. Or you said he got it?
He.
Okay, okay. Yes.
And then it's a digital watch of Sonata company. So when he was around 15 years, he got this as a gift and he still kept it safe.
Okay,
As he
good.
loved it.
Very good. And then something else about this watch?
Nothing much because I don't know much about
You can
this
tell
gadget.
something about the features of this watch.
Yes, we can even make in darkness, we can on the light to see the time.
Okay.
And it even shows the day, date, and as well as the year.
Okay, very good. Good. So that's the reason I told you to bring the
Shall I
item.
tell Vamshi?
Vamshi, I think first I'll let the children speak who are in line, okay? And then I'll call you. As long as the meeting doesn't get disconnected, I'll let you all continue, okay? We don't know when it will stop. If you are interested in continuing for some more time, I'll ask you to rejoin in the meeting, okay? All right, Ravi Tej.
Ma'am.
Yes, Ravi Tej.
Ma'am.
Switch on your video and show me the item. Others are also able to see it, right? Yes, Ravi Tej, tell us about it. Wow, he's showing a totally different. You said you are in your village, isn't it? Can you identify this animal, children?
Ma'am,
It's a cow.
Cow. Is it?
Ma'am, it's a cow.
Okay, Ravi
Ma'am,
Tej
it's a
will tell us
calf.
whether it's a cow or a
Ma'am,
calf.
it's a cow.
Baby cow.
Ma'am, calf.
Baby cow. Baby cow. The baby of a cow is called a calf.
Ma'am, calf. Calf.
Yes. Okay, children, I'm going to mute you. Let Ravi Tej speak. Ravi Tej, let's hear from you. Ravi Tej, 1 minute, 1 minute. Ravi Tej, you have to unmute yourself and then speak. Yes, Ravi Tej.
Ma'am, I love this calf very much, and our family member also love this calf very much. And its gender is male, and it will lick me, and it also love me, and our family members also love this calf.
Okay, very good. And what does your calf do? What type of sound does it make?
My moo.
Very good, Ravi Tej. Anything else you wish to share with us about your calf? What is the name given to your calf?
Ma'am, I kept name it as Raju.
Raju, okay. So very nice, Ravi Tej. This was really a surprise to see a calf coming up as an item in the show and tell activity. Very good. I'm really happy.
Ma'am, first calf to attend online class.
That's very thoughtful of you to say that. I think others have also seen this calf, and what Ravi Tej said was, though on a funnier note, it's really interesting. Yes, we can see the calf playing with you. Very good, Ravi Tej. Thank you for sharing your calf with us. Trishakti?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Show me the item.
Ma'am, I have two. This is my father's and this is my mother's. Ma'am,
Two
which
items.
one shall I tell first, ma'am?
Whichever you prefer, or you can just combine the two items and tell us about both of them together.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my mother's. Ma'am, she loved bag collection actually.
Okay.
So it was the last piece found in the mall. So she was very excited to have this actually. But another buyer took it, but in just a span of time, they returned it.
Okay.
So she got this bag.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, and then, ma'am, this is my father's t-shirt. Ma'am, this is the gift which I gave to him on Father's Day recently.
Okay, so this is the gift given
loved
by
this
you to
very
your
much.
father.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good.
Ma'am,
good.
because I was loving this very much t-shirt, but actually in the previous days, he was not getting his size. Actually, accidentally on Father Day, he got his size. So I bought to him.
Okay, so both the items came to your parents by chance, even though they
Yes,
wanted
ma'am.
it. Okay, good.
Yes, ma'am, by
Interesting too.
accident, everything.
Okay, luck by chance, that's what we say. Okay, Trishakti, thank you. Samraj, children, actually the meeting is scheduled till 11 o'clock. Just in case if it finishes, I'll check if I'm able to reschedule. Okay. Okay, after Samrud. Okay, Samrud is in line, Vamshi, so after him. Otherwise, as I told you, you record it and send to me. Everybody will be able to watch. All your videos I'll share in the group. Okay, individually I'll share your videos in case if you're not able to speak here. Samrud, can we hear from you?
Ma'am, this is my father's favorite book named Ajaya. Someone about Pailwan. I don't know much about this book. Actually, yesterday it came from delivered yesterday.
Okay, you got it delivered from an online app or through courier?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Samar, tell us about the book.
Ma'am, actually, I don't know much about this book, but I know one thing that it is someone's, Pailwan's
It's
Charitra.
about about his biography, the biography of some.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Pahalwan. Okay. Thank you, Samrit. Okay, Vamshi, you wanted to say something, show something rather.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vamshi.
Ma'am, this is my father's favorite floor and favorite things. Ma'am, these are books.
But
Ma'am,
Vamshi,
in these books.
one second. I'm not able to see your. 1 second. Yes. Okay, so you said this is your father's
bookshelf.
Very good. Yes.
Ma'am, in this there are many books like Indrajala. Ma'am, these comics are now not published. You can see how fragile they are. And this book is printed on November 1, 1970. And there are many books. Ma'am, this whole column is Indrajala books, and this is Amar Chitrakatha, and there are total almost 480 National Geographic books.
Wow,
These are all
excellent.
National Geographic books.
Ma'am,
and this book was gifted by me on last year's birthday.
Which
Ma'am,
was the book?
I think in 5th standard there was a chapter, Canterville a Ghost.
Canterville Ghost. Okay.
Ma'am,
Very
yes, ma'am.
popular
We
book.
were practicing to do a play in the class. Ma'am, when I
Okay.
told the dialogues to him, he thought this is a very nice book. I need to search and read this. So he was searching, but he couldn't get the right book. So on the last year his birthday, I gifted him this book.
Very good. Very good. Thank you for sharing this. This is really very interesting corner of your house, I guess. Dedicating a special place for keeping your files and books and organizing them so well. It's really very impressive. So,
Yes,
thank
ma'am.
you,
There is a
Vamshi.
book
I think
before
it was a good decision
independence.
to let you show your collection. Okay. Thank you, Vamshi. Next, because the meeting is still going on, I think we can do it for another 10 minutes time. Whose video is this?
Even this is a novels.
Okay.
These are novels.
Vamshi, this is really interesting. I think you can make a separate video on your collection and tell us about what you have collected. Okay. Don't make the video longer than 1 minute. You have to be fast. Thank you, Vamshi. Next, we'll go to Amrita Varshini. Are you there, Amrita Varshini? Okay, Vamshi's is over. Amrita Varshini, your video is on, dear. Yes, show us what is it.
Ma'am, we cannot hear.
We can't hear
Not able to hear our voice.
Hello?
We
You are
can't
not
hear.
able to hear? Are you able to hear me now, children?
Ma'am, we can hear you, but not.
We can hear you, not
But
Amrita.
I think Amrita Varshini, can you leave and rejoin so that your mic problem might get solved? Okay. Prarthana, morning, when we started, you said, ma'am, I am Prarthana. If you wish to share something quickly, open your video and show. Prarthana. Yes, I can see you, Prarthana. You have to unmute and speak.
Ma'am, she has unmuted, but we cannot able to hear.
Yes, Prarthana, we can look at you, but your audio is not coming to us. Okay. Show the item that you wanted to show. Oh, it's a dress. Okay, Prarthana, can you record a small video about it and send to me? Because your audio is not, we can't hear you. Thank you, Prarthana. Okay. Dheya Vishwanath. Till Vismay will finish and then close this call. The other activities which I have, I'll make a video of the activities that you're supposed to do. And then slowly we can take it up over this weekend. Because next week, I wish to start the first poem for you. Okay, I'll take a poll from you at the end of this class and then decide whether we'll go on with the activities or start a poem next week. Okay. All right. Next is Deya Vishwanath.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, show us the item and speak about it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is my sister's favorite gift she's got. This is her pen, which she got at school for her best performance at school. Ma'am, she got this 2 years ago, but she hasn't used it till now. I'm eager to know that when will she use it?
Okay.
And so this is her gift.
Okay. So is it Shreya, your sister?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did she get it for, you said?
Ma'am, I think for the best experience, for the best performance at school. Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Ma'am, for getting...
Their voice is breaking. All right, so this she showed a pen which was gifted to her sister for being the best performance. Best performance at school, isn't it, Deya?
Yes,
something more about this item? You said you are curiously waiting to see when she is going to use it. But tell us something about the item you are holding.
Ma'am, it's the Trimax pen.
It's a gel pen.
Ma'am,
right?
it's actually... Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it's actually brand new. She haven't opened it yet.
Okay. She hasn't opened it for the past 2 years and it's still brand new.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. When I tell you to speak, you have to speak continuously, children. Okay. Just have some plan in mind. Yes, Deya, continue.
Ma'am, I'm eager to know when will she use it.
All right. Okay. Okay, Deya. Thank you. Dakshayani. Thank you, Deya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Dakshayani. Show the item.
Actually, this Veena is my mom's favorite. And she's keeping it since her childhood. And she loves playing Veena. And I see her so many times playing with Veena.
Okay. Do you also play it, Dakshayani?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Even
So
I love playing Veena. And another one favorite thing is, this is a favorite thing for everyone in our house. Plants.
very nice. What
Everyone
plant
in
is
my
this?
family love plants.
Okay. So overall, all the plants you love. The particular plant that you have shared with us, can you tell us about it?
Ma'am, actually, I don't know more about this plant, but I know about this rose plant.
Okay, very nice. And Dakshayani, interesting things you have shared plants and the musical instrument named Veena.
Yes, ma'am.
You also play it. So probably you can play a small piece in it, record a video and send to me.
Yes, ma'am.
Different task for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Thank you. Vachan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vachan. Show us what you have.
So this is my mother's shell collection.
Wow, it's really beautiful. Yes. Tell us about the types of shells that are shown here. Vachan can't hear you. Vachan, we are not getting the voice from your side.
So this is my favorite shell because of its color. And I
Okay.
hope each one has its own uniqueness. Their sizes, they're small to big, and their patterns.
Okay.
And and I'm still in the mystery of this.
Okay.
So I think it's an ambergris, but
Beautiful. Very beautiful and unique collection it is. Have you ever asked your mother from which places she has been collecting these?
yes, ma'am. She said that she got it from Mangalore.
Okay, very good. Thank your mom for preserving such a beautiful and precious collection, and thank you, Vachan, for showing it to us. Okay, thank you, Vachan. We'll move on to Chaitanya Girish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Chaitanya.
this is my favorite toy. This is my sister's love. Ma'am,
I
she's
thought
not
you were
giving.
showing 2 toys.
Ma'am, this is my sister and she's not giving now also. This is my buddy.
Oh, is it?
And she
Okay.
loves it a lot. Ma'am, this is in red color. She's love that. She kept the name which is Dolly.
Hmm.
Dolly.
Dolly. Okay. So you let your sister also speak. What is your sister's name, Chaitanya?
Ma'am, Parinita Girish.
Parinita. Hi, Parinita.
Hi.
You're in which class, Parinita?
UKG.
You're in UKG, but your sister is in 8th standard, no? Only 8th standard students should come here. Okay.
Ma'am, she's not leaving me. She's not leaving me to allow that.
Okay. So like someone said, they have fought for the toy and other items. I can virtually see it that your sister is not ready to give it. So thank you for sharing your doll and with the other doll also, who's your sister. Okay. Chaitanya, will you tell us something like from where this doll was purchased, who bought it, who it was gifted for whom, some details about it.
Ma'am, this was gifted from my mother, which we brought in mall. In my it is in Mysore itself.
Okay.
It was gifted for her birthday. Recently, it was June 13th as birthday. My mother gifted that.
Okay, very good. Okay, thank you, Chaitanya, for sharing.
Thank you.
Vismay? Vismay, your hand is raised. Are you there?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Vismay.
Ma'am, my brother likes to play cricket.
Okay, carry on.
Ma'am, this is his bat collection, ma'am.
Very good. He has a
Collection
collection
of bat.
Very good. Okay. Tell us about the collection of bats.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Something is written
this is
there.
the latest bat which was gifted from me. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell about it.
And this was gifted by my mother to him.
Okay, good. So when you say children, this was gifted, you don't say it was gifted from someone. You should say it is gifted by or it was gifted by. So someone else also said it was a gift. It was gifted from my mother. You can say it is a gift from my mother, or it is a gift from me to him. But when you say it was gifted, then you just say it was gifted by me or by him or by her. Okay. Small corrections you should learn and improve. Okay, very nice. Big fan of Virat Kohli. That's what is written in this bat. Very nice, Miss Knight. So 2 cricket
Ma'am,
bats.
always he will be reading or either holding his bat on his hand.
Okay. Okay, so it is Nihal you are talking about, right?
Yes, ma'am, my brother.
Yes, okay. Okay, thank you, Vismay, for sharing. Trupti. I think this show and tell activity is very good because I'm able to look at many of your faces and recollect that, yes, the face I remember associated with the name is the same person. Okay, yes. Come on, Trupti. Trupti, have you unmuted? You have to unmute your mic.
Ma'am, I have unmuted.
Yes, okay, speak here. Wow.
Ma'am, this is old notes.
And whose collection is this? Mother's or father's or anyone in the family?
Ma'am, it is my atte's.
Your atte's means your aunt's collection. Very good. Olden days coins and olden days notes. I remember having seen these coins. These notes I have very much used till the time I was in 4th or 5th standard. But these coins even I used to collect. Very good, Tripti. We share some similar interests. Tell us about these. What type of coins are there? Show the coin and tell its denomination, like 5 paise, 10 paise. We all know, children, 100 paise together make 1 rupee, right? So out of those 100 paise, this collection will show you what denominations of coins are there. Show us, Tripti. The class is really extending, children. We have to finish fast. Tripti, show us and tell us the coins denominations.
Yes, ma'am.
Lift a coin and tell what is the value of that coin. For example, that flower kind of coin is there. Is that of 10 paises value? Just lift it and show and tell. All right. I think, yeah. Yes, Tripti, show.
Ma'am, this 4 is 10 paisa.
Okay. These 4 coins are 10 paise coins. Okay, good. Anything else?
Ma'am, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5 paisa, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay, and then?
20 paisa.
Good, good. So I think others have also seen how these coins were in the olden times. These are, these were.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Tripti. We'll move on to the next person.
Thank you,
Lavanya.
ma'am.
Yes, Tripti. Lavanya, you there?
Even I have old coin collections.
Very good.
Ma'am, I have China and Europe coins, American.
Lavanya.
Ma'am?
Other than Lavanya, please, others mute yourselves. Lavanya, once again, will you unmute and speak?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, I can hear you. Show me.
Ma'am, this is the showcase collection of my grandmother and grandfather.
Oh, wow, that's excellent.
And we can see variety of gods.
Yes, it's beautiful.
Ma'am, we can see some vegetables also, which is made up of plastic. And
Yes.
also variety of birds also you can see, ma'am.
Yes, it's really beautiful. Very pretty collection and how beautifully it has been maintained. Superb. Very good, Lavanya. It's a beautiful share that you have, a beautiful piece of collection that you have shown us. So how many
Thank you,
years
ma'am.
have they taken for collecting all these?
Ma'am, 20 years.
20 years. So what do you think about these? Would you like to keep this collection with you in future and maintain it the same
Yes,
way how
ma'am.
they have done? Okay, okay, very good. So,
And then we have Maddu dolls also, ma'am, up.
wow. I don't see even a small bit of dust on anything. That's how beautifully they have maintained it. Very good. My appreciations and respects to your grandparents. Thank you,
Thank you,
Lavanya.
ma'am.
You have to tell us about it, not just show and tell. You have shown a lot of things, but you have to speak about it. Okay, quickly in 2 sentences, you tell something.
Ma'am, this is the Western toys, ma'am. Ma'am, this is Indian goddesses.
Okay, right. Can you name
These
the
are,
goddess?
ma'am, there's so many. Ma'am, Dashavataras.
Yeah, yeah, yes.
Ganeshas.
Good, good. Thank you. That's enough. I just wanted to hear something from you. Thank you, Lavanya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yashasvi, after you speak, we are going to close it. It has really extended a lot. I'm sorry, children, to make you wait for such a long time. Okay, Yashasvi, with you, we are going to close, dear. Are you there, Yashasvi? Yes, Yashasvi, tell us about it. You have not unmuted your mic. Click on the mute button.
Yes, ma'am. This is my sister's book, and her main hobby is reading books. Without it, she won't finish her day. All the day, even if she not talk to me, also she won't stop reading this book. There are many book collections, but it's the best. Even I read every day. It's happy to see her reading, and the most happy day she'll be reading every day.
Very good. That's really good. What does she do, your sister? Okay, Yashasvi. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for sharing. So you could have told something about the book. Like you showed the book, it's a physics related book. But anything, whenever you're showing an object, you have to tell about that object in particular. Some of you shared about who owns it. That is okay, but some details about the item should also be included. Okay, thank you. We have Bhumika. I thought we will close with this, but Bhumika has raised her hand. Bhumika, will finish with you, dear, quickly. Bhumika, are you able to unmute? Yes,
Ma'am, I
Bhumika.
am having a collection of old coins, ma'am.
Okay, show it, Bhumika.
Ma'am, here I am having.
Very nice. It's beautifully arranged. Can you zoom?
Ma'am, even I am having the coins which are contain of Lord Goddesses Chamundeshwari.
Okay, so like the silver coins and gold coins, which will have idols and goddesses image behind. Very nice. Can you show us in close up what these coins are?
Ma'am, here.
You have to tell us about it.
Ma'am, this is my father's collection.
Okay. Nice.
Ma'am, here 10 rupee coins.
Okay. So 10 rupee coin, many shopkeepers are hesitant to accept. So the show and tell activity was supposed to be you show something and you speak about it. It's not like you show and I tell about it. Okay, children. Okay, thank you, Bhumika, for showing some coins and all others who participated today. And thank you for continuing to stay in the class. Okay, we'll close for today. I had planned a few more activities, which we will do in the next class possibly. Okay, Joe, just tell me if you want me to do some activity in the next class or you want me to start with the lesson. Just raise your hand, those who want activities. Okay, 20 people have said they want activities. How about the others? 25 activities. Okay. Okay. With respect to all those who have asked for doing activities, next week also we'll do a few activities and puzzles. Today I'm going to send something in the group which you are going to complete. Okay. I'll send a picture and send you some instructions along with it. Okay, that you will try to complete and keep with you. Okay, I'll send you the solutions also for that picture later on. You need not send that activity to me. The only activity that you can send to me is the video recording of the show and tell that you wanted to share in the class. Okay, that's all, children. You can start leaving the class. Before that, if there is something that you want to quickly tell me, you can unmute and speak.
We can eat banana.
Huh? I know you can eat banana, but you don't need my permission for that.
Ma'am, we are interested in both lessons and as well as activities.
Okay. So, see, if you are speaking to me and if your mic is unmuted, fine. But if you're talking to your family members, you should be conscious that your mic should be kept in mute. Okay. So, okay, some of you are interested in both activities as well as lessons. I have some recorded videos of the lessons which I can share with you. So what we can do is next week in the online class, we can go on with some activities and then I can send you the video post which you can start following for beginning your literature part. Is that okay?
Yes,
today the
yes,
class
ma'am.
is done.
Yes, ma'am.
We have almost
Yes,
finished 1.5
yes,
hours.
ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Next week we will have only
Excuse
45
me, ma'am.
minutes of class. Okay? Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever message,
Okay,
whatever you
ma'am.
want to share, you can send as a message, children, because I think it's really getting late. Your parents must be getting anxious on why this class is extending so long. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you for joining. We had 97.
Ma'am, I have one question and doubt.
Yes, ask quickly.
Thank you, ma'am.
That's one tell activity. We can record video another time.
Yes. Okay. You can record and
If
send.
we have attempted in
Nange
class also,
yes.
another time
Screen
we
share
If you have
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
shown in the class also, you can record another one and send. Okay, no problem.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, children. Thank you so
Bye,
much. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Enjoy
ma'am.
the rest of your day.
Bye,
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Bye,
Nice
bye.
meeting you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Ma'am, we
children.
enjoyed the
Bye,
class.
ma'am.
Thank you. I also enjoyed with whatever you have done today, whatever you have shown today.
Thank you, ma'am.
Beautiful memories I'm going to keep from today's class. Thank you, children.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
everyone.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Ma'am, it
children.
was nice meeting you.
Thank you. It was nice meeting you all too. Looking at your faces gives me 1,000 watts of energy. Bye,
Ma'am,
children.
today's class was amazing.
Thank you so much. If the class is amazing, all the credit goes to only children. With your participation, only amazing thing happened. Some of you don't want to leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children. Go and get back to your work. Whatever you have been planning for the day, carry on with that. Dakshayani, Vachan, Adarsh, Soumya. Who's Soumya? Soumya, can you switch on your video? I wish to see your face. I don't know who is Soumya. Because you have not yet left. Okay. Then Vedamurthy, Poojan, Tarun. Okay, children, I'm going to close this call.
Bye,
now.
ma'am.
Bye. Thank you so much. Bye, everyone.
Bye, ma'am.